Hi folks, so today I have a different kind of video for you. Ooh, okay. I have a different kind of video for you guys, and I'm like kind of excited about it because it's not my first time trying it, but it's my first time trying this brand, so I'm not gonna ramble. It's this girl here. It's from the Realistic brand. It's this wig. I don't know if you guys could see it, and her name is Sierra, and I got her in 1B, but I don't think Sierra suits her. I'm going to call her Mildred because she got that kind of back in the day kind of vibes to her. So yeah, we're gonna call her Mildred. So this is how she comes. Just gonna get rid of that and take off the net. Woo! With this, and it has the tag that tells you how to care for the hair. You guys just forgive me of how I'm handling this hair because I didn't have high hopes for this hair, so I'm not gonna put it down too fast. Oops. And look at that, I have shedding a lot, but it's expected from synthetic wigs, so it's not much of a big deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the tag from Mildred, get rid of that, and I'm going to put her on. I'm going to try to insert a picture of how it looks on the model on the side of the screen, and I hope you guys could like get the idea of what we're going for with Mildred today. And I'm just like passing my hand through Mildred to see how much shedding I get, and you guys, I'm having a lot. But however, the wefting on this wig is like really popping, and the wig is full. It has it comes with no comb, but it comes with the adjustable strap. So if you have a big head like me, it shouldn't be an issue to fit. Or if you have a small head, you could adjust the wig anyhow. So I'm not going to talk any more about Mildred here. I'm just going to go ahead and try her on and be right back. You guys, this is how Mildred looks. She's cute or whatever, but let me start with the pros about this wig. It's thick, she cute, she's affordable. I got her from my local beauty supply, so I'm going to try to find a link to something similar and link it in the description bar down below. Mildred is a bit shiny, but we could fix her. We're going to put some dry shampoo on her and get her popping. I kind of like the side, but it was made to be a middle swoop. However, the way my face is set up, you know, I really can't pull off the middle part, so I kind of stick to the side situation. So yeah, Mildred looks kind of cute. Those are the pros. Now the cons. Mildred, she sheds a lot. I don't know if you guys could see, but baby girl sheds a lot. So I wouldn't suggest this wig to be like a kind of everyday wig, right? I wouldn't suggest her to be an everyday wig. She could be like a, I don't want to comb my hair today and I want to feel cute at the same time kind of wig. She is a little frizzy, but it's not nothing that some dry shampoo can't fix. And I don't know, but I just don't like how this whole situation is set here. I don't know if you guys see me crunching down, it's to look in my mirror, but I just don't like how she looks here. But besides that, what could you expect? It was a very inexpensive wig, but Mildred is looking kind of cute from this angle, you know. Yeah, she looks kind of cute from this angle. She's giving me that kind of whole Beyonce back in the day vibes, yeah. But from this angle, girl, you need some work. But yeah, I don't know if you guys enjoy this little unboxing slash review on this wig. And her name is her birth name is Ciara. However, we renamed her to Mildred. So I hope you guys like Mildred, and I'm going out today, so I'm gonna rock Mildred. And I don't know if you guys want a look like this, simple beat like Bay approved makeup look. If you guys want to see that, comment that down below. And also I want to also give a special thanks to everybody that has taken time out. I mean, my channel is growing, and I really appreciate everyone that takes time out to watch my videos, takes time out to subscribe, takes time out to share. It really means a lot, and thank you guys so much. And I'm gonna see you guys soon on another video. Be sure to continue sharing. If you're new, hi, my name is Sheneka, and I hope you guys enjoy the little haul slash review slash unboxing with Mildred. I think I'm going to wear Mildred to the side, you know, give myself a little, you know, kind of whole sexy. You guys, I don't like this about Mildred either. She's a kind of little, I don't know if it's because it's my hair to the top here, but I'm wearing 2 stockings cap, and Mildred should be a little, you know what I mean, a little flatter. But don't worry, this says Mildred, let me get the card. They said that Mildred should be able to take up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in heat current iron. And this is how she looks on the model here. This is how Mildred looks on the model. But this is how Mildred looks on me. I got her in 1P. Yeah, you guys forgive me. I'm kind of pumped today. I had a lot of coffee. So, and a lot of energy drinks. So I am feeling like extra pumped. Anyway, thank you guys.